Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Hyundai I40 active wagon, stock reference number 5584. The shape runs from the 9th month 2011 through the 2nd month 2015. It has a D4 FD 1.7 litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4 FD 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.